Well, I'm here today at 2764 Kletha Trail doing an open house. We've had 6 or 7 people come by today, and yeah, I'm here till 1. I hope you'll come by. This is a fun little A-frame. Shaking the camera a lot. Yeah, and I'll just point out a few features. It's very tastefully decorated. A gas fireplace and loft upstairs with a half bath. In the very front, when you first come in, you can walk into a bunk room. Super cute. We've got the outside with a nice deck and fun little backyard. There's also a patio on the side with pavers, and this driveway is so awesome. There's French drains, and it goes back to a workshop with RV hookups, electric and water. Then at the front of the property, you've got another set of RV hookups for, and then there's sewer up there. But yeah, come on by, love to see ya.